Today, I've got the keys to transform your Airbnb game. But real talk, are you in it for the hosting long haul or just the free Wi-Fi? If you're ready to level up, then you're going to want to stick to the end of this video. Hit the subscribe button and let's turn your Airbnb into the hottest spot in town.
3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. I can flip it down to 1,000,000.
All right, listen up. We're about to dive into a game-changing move for your Airbnb listing. The pre-guest inspection. This isn't about just eyeing things at your property. This is about throwing on that detective hat and going through everything with a fine-tooth comb. Before your guests even think about stepping into your property, give your place a once-over from appliances to every nook and cranny in that house. It's like a pre-show check at a rock concert. You want everything tuned up for a killer performance. You need to catch those potential hiccups before they even happen. I promise you, your guests will thank you for it, and you're going to thank yourself for it too. Because perfection is not optional in this business. Now it's time to get real about the post-check-in guest communication. This ain't the time to play nice. This is the time to own it. Your guests have landed, and now it's time to hit them up like the boss. You need to send that welcome message or make that call. Do this the next morning after check-in around 10 a.m. Let them settle in. Give them that opportunity to experience the property. You need to let them know that you're not just hosting a property, you're curating an experience for them. They're VIP to you. Stay on their radar throughout their stay. You're not their babysitter, you're their host ninja. This is the hospitality rodeo, and you're the darn cowboy. Be the host they didn't know they needed. All right, let's cut to the chase about these thoughtful amenities. This isn't about throwing in some basic crap. This is about serving up a hospitality feast. You need to ditch the lame stuff and just think next level. Stop thinking small. We're talking more than just mini shampoo bottles and a weak coffee setup. Come on. Give your guests a reason to fist bump the air with that hookup that you provided to them. Your amenities need to scream, "You're living your best life" at your property. This isn't about just being a host. It's about being a hospitality rock star if you really want to succeed at this business. You need to elevate your game because, as I said, to succeed, you need to go big or you need to go home. If you got value from this video, I encourage you to go look at all the other videos that I've made that takes you through the step-by-step process of building this business. Again, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay tatted, stay invested.
3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. I can flip it down to 1,000,000.